Today is January 7th and it's Orthodox Christmas. All Russians are celebrating. Today, actually it was last night. Today is Christmas Day and I'm going to make some dinner because it's a work day and kids are in school. It's not national holiday in America. So I'm just going to make some nice dinner and just celebrate it with my little family, and I'm going also to do some other stuff like shopping and just, you know, everyday stuff. And right now I'm sitting in my car by the girls' school because I need to pick them up, and I'm reading a book by my favorite author, Stephen King. Yes, it is. I love him, and it's Mr. Mercedes. I'm behind in his book. The new one, Revival, is already on sale and I'm still on Mr. Mercedes. Just started. How bad it is. It's really bad. But there's just life calls, and I know I need to read. I know I need to find times, and I do find, like I'm reading right now. I'm going to read right now while waiting for my kids, for the cars to move, and I came a little bit early. Sometimes I just come a little bit early to the school just to read, because I know at home I always will find something to do and instead of reading, and it's just difficult to read and concentrate when you know that you have so many things to do, and just relax and concentrate on it. It's quite I just picked up my kids. Kids, say hi to people.
Hi people.
Dash, where are you?
I'm Valeria and I'm awesome.
Yeah. And Dash, how are you?
Good.
Okay. All good. Going home now. I went to Amazon just to check if I have new reviews for my books, and usually I just type in my name and see what's going on. And it's always only my books here, but today I found a new book. This one right here. And I thought, what is it? Why is it here? And it says actually one of the authors has the same last name as I am. The book is Novel Approaches and Strategies for Biologics, Vaccines and Cancer Therapies. And look seriously at the price. And my book's like the most expensive, $3.99. I'm self-published, obviously. $160 for Kindle edition. It's available for pre-order. The amount of time I spent at the computer is just ridiculous. And even though I exercise and I do go to the gym, I need to walk more than I do, and it's a complex where we live. The gym is 15 minutes away. It's less than 15. By walking, I don't know, 10 minutes maybe. It's Friday night and I'm going out with my girlfriends, girls' night out. My kids are in bed. I did everything I was supposed to do today. All my motherly duties are done. Cooking, cleaning. Oh, please, slide, don't go away. Okay. Laundry, we baked cookies, we did shopping, we did so many stuff. It's after the school. Besides, I've worked also today. Of course, tons of things done. Now my time to go out and just relax and just forget about the problems. There's a few things I don't like. One of those things are team sports. I really don't like team sports. I hate it pretty much. Soccer is one of them, and little did I know, one of my kids is playing soccer now. And I'm sitting on the field. I'm a soccer mom, okay? I'm a soccer mom. Oh, well. And Dasha is writing diary.
It's not a diary.
What is that?
It's a story about Laird's first soccer game.
Oh, that's what it is? Dasha wrote a big story about Laird's game.
But it was just like it would come off the side of his foot a little bit.
She's really excited about her sisters.
When he really latches onto it.
Game 2. I'm in Publix now getting some vegetables, and I felt like naked. But there's a new one. It's called Chia and Juice Smoothie. I never actually tried chia and smoothies before, so I want to see what it is. I came to Publix to buy some beets for my beet salad and almost left without them. Just got everything else but not beets. looks so organic. Bought some farmer's chips for myself. Love it. I mix it with maple syrup or honey with some organic raisins and sour cream. Don't forget the sour cream, and it's just delicious for breakfast. Perfect. I tried it and it's actually pretty good. Why wouldn't it be good with so much sugar? But it is. I like peach. I like pretty much everything with peach. And the chia seeds, they're like crushed. I like it. Today's Saturday and my kids and I are going to the party to my friend's house. It's like a Russian Christmas party slash Russian Old New Year party. So we're going to have fun today. There's a lot of my kids and my friends and their kids. We're all friends with each other. Emma, I made this dish. I'm going to show you. It's called vinaigrette and it has beets, sauerkraut, pickles, and green peas, and I absolutely love this salad. It's one of my favorites. It's mixed with olive oil and what else? Some potatoes. Maybe it looks horrible, I don't know, but to me it's absolutely delicious and it looks
This is my crazy mom. She wanted to show off her outfit for some very, very, very strange reason.
And there's video bomb. Tasha, Lera is reading like all the things. I don't know. I cannot. I don't see if I'm shooting you. Do you see yourself, Lera?
No.
Now?
No.
Now?
Yes.
Okay, say hi.
Hi, people. Bring it more down. Hi, people. I'm Valeria. I'm awesome. Now, Tasha, get your stupid hand out.
Oh my god, that's all recorded, and now people will think that you're very rude girls, and you're not like this, right? No, you're not.